Welcome to Papi Chulo. My name is Chris, and this is a quick unboxing and authentication guide for the Nike SB Dunk Low Chunky Dunky. This shoe is one of the most faked shoes in the world that isn't a Travis Scott. I see them on Mercari and Facebook Marketplace, eBay. They are reckless with the fakes. And this is a very expensive shoe. There's a very high premium on this shoe. So it's very important that you know all the details before you spend a lot of money on a fake. So this is a rainbow box, flip top. The box label should look like that. It may or may not have a suggested retail tab, but what is important on a lot of these fakes is that they don't have the correct order or names of the color codes. The color code here is white/university gold. Should be a code in the flip top. Grain paper should be green on one side and blank on the other. And this is actually a very easy tell with the box, and a lot of scamming people don't know this. They show the box open, and it's a great way to tell if it's fake or not. Notice here on the right back corner where the box dimensions are, it's green on the top and it's yellow on the side here. Many of the fakes is green and green. So let's check it out. Oh my goodness. Now here is the shoe. The shoe is very distinct from an untrained eye. They all kind of look the same. If you have the shoe in hand, this is a Phylon plate in the center. Sometimes fakes just paint that green, but it's just rubber. It should feel like a different material than this feels. Now this pair is very near dead stock, and I actually prefer to have a dead stock pair to review here for authentication guides, but I actually think that this is great because I need to show you how easily this creases. This shoe was essentially just tried on and it creased up. You cannot look at a Chunky Dunky without it creasing. Whatever material they use for the polyurethane coat here on that blue is a lot different than typical Dunks. It feels different, and it creases like cardboard, and it creases instantly like cardboard. So basically the first actual step you take in these shoes, it's going to crease. I know that's disappointing to a lot of people, but that's just the way this toe is. Now, if you happen to see that these Chunky Dunkies are dirty or water damaged, or any of your other shoes, such as my daughter's Yeezy Zebras here, then take a visit to papichulo.com, where you can get sneaker care products at a fraction of the cost of Jason Mark and Reshoevn8r, and they're actually better products, and they're not drop shipped. I get them here, I've tested these, and these products I think are very good. Natural wood horsehair brushes, cheaper than Reshoevn8r. A big bad brass brush for cleaning the bottoms of your shoes, and also for rejuvenating nap and suede and nubuck. Bigger, better, and cheaper than Reshoevn8r. This is a wash basin used for cleaning that is actually useful. You have it low here if you're using any suede oils, suede oil cleaner, just to dip and go. And if you're making a soap solution, just make that puppy bigger. Put your warm water in, put your soap in, and when you're done, put it away. Even comes with a little hook. And if you've bought from Reshoevn8r before, you know that their laundry bags actually only fit one shoe, but they don't tell you that. And not only that, a lot of times they come open in the washing machine anyway, so they're pretty useless. My laundry bag has a zipper, and it fits 2 shoes comfortably. This is cheaper than one of Reshoevn8r's laundry bags, and you can also hang them to dry. papichulo.com. Please support small business. Please support this channel. I am full-time now, and this is how I am keeping the lights on. For coupon codes, check out my Instagram at papichulo, and clean your sneakers, damn it. Okay, back to the shoe. Now the cow print does look black from far away, but if you really study close and shine it into the light, you do see that it's a very, 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 very dark brown. Another great clue A DS Chunky Dunky does not have a lace bag. The laces are attached to the right shoe in the top lace hole with just a plastic piece here, and they're loose. Typically, if you see lace bags, it's fake. Now here we have the insole. I want to focus on this Zoom Air unit for a second. A fake Zoom Air unit can look like this sometimes, but notice the pattern here. Fakes will get that wrong as well. Should look like, I don't know, like a pill and a circle on a pill. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. The insole should also have a size range on it, not just one size. There is the size label. Pause the video if you need to. Take a comparison between the one you see and this one here. The footbed is a white nylon strobel with a whole lot of white stitching. You do see the guidelines there also, but an important thing here is that you should see a lime green underneath the strobel. If you don't see lime green, it is 100% fake. And I know somebody's gonna bring this up in the comments, so let's just address it now. The sock liner pattern. Lots of people say that you can easily tell a fake Chunky Dunky by the way this pattern looks here on the sock liner. In my experience, that is super subjective. That's not something you can measure. It's not something that is a fact. So I would not go by that. I would go by something concrete. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Check out my TikTok. Check out my website where I am selling